So you want to know the difference between the term source code and object executable code. It's actually simpler than it sounds. Source code is your programming code, like on the left, that has been compiled into an executable file. Sorry, it's not been compiled. So source code looks like it does above. Loads of you have wrote source code in the past, and I'm quietly confident that at the time of watching this video, you might have already known what source code was. But then object code is your compiled code. So once you run that on a machine, it will turn it into machine code, which you're aware of. For the computer to actually run it, it needs to turn it into machine code. The thing that's going to define what your machine code looks like isn't actually the source code. The source code will help, but the thing that defines what the machine code looks like is the computer's instruction set. And every computer could potentially have different instruction sets depending on its CPU. So object code is compiled code that can be run on any computer that has the same CPU architecture. But once it's compiled on a certain machine, it can only that object code could only be run on other machines with the same CPU architecture. So if I had a different CPU architecture, the instruction set would be different, and therefore those ones and zeros wouldn't actually make sense to the other computer. So that's the difference. You make sure you know the difference between source code and object code.